This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to change from landscape mode to portrait mode on Google Docs. So right here on Google Docs, untitled document, I have this kind of random text right here that I found online that I'm using just to make these Google Docs videos. For whatever reason, if you find yourself with landscape mode, as you can see, this page, these pages that you can see right here are in fact in landscape mode. They're not as narrow, obviously, as they would be if they're in portrait mode. We want to change today from landscape into portrait mode. What we need to do, come up to the top. We will click on File at the top. Right at the bottom, we have Print. We want to come one above that to Page Setup. So Page Setup, we will click on Page Setup. We get this main window here for the Page Setup. We can now change the orientation from landscape as it is set currently, and we will click on portrait. Now you can do paper size here as well. You can do page color here as well if that appeals to you, and you can change the margins as well. But the main change that we're making is from landscape to portrait. Once you have selected portrait, you'll click OK, and you can see straight away that we are now in portrait mode. Everything is a lot narrower. Landscape mode's gone, portrait mode is here. Hopefully you have found this video on how to change from landscape mode to portrait mode on Google Docs useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.